The circus is what the whole hip world would be doing on Saturday night if the Nazis had won the war. This is the sixth Reich.
If you Redux a Redux, does it just quack? The last installation video was for the Ubuntu family. And it works, but you gotta jump through some hoops. So reading through the bowels of the Docker documentation, they still have that handy-dandy installation script that you have to curl. And it works on both Debian and RedHat platforms. So let's start with the installation script on a CentOS platform. SSH to your soon-to-be Docker host. Become root. You'll need the root superpowers for this install. Next, we want to run the installer script from get.docker.com and do it with a curl because why not? Log out of root after it completes and run the usermod command, but only run that if you hate yourself. Log out of the system, then back in. After clearing your screen unnecessarily and logging back in, let's just see if there's no images running or downloaded. After this, we want to run the hello world just to test it. Something you can get out of the habit of later, but right now, I'm paranoid. After our hello world completes, we're going to try to get things flowing and install Ubuntu on this new CentOS host. If we step through the command here, it's docker run for running the image, -t for TTY or sudo terminal, and -i for interactive. Next up we have our image name, Ubuntu, and the command we want to run. For this one, we're doing a bashing. Once it has completed downloading the image, you'll be dropped into a new instance, with air quotes there, that has a weird name. You should notice that your user is now root and your terminal now has a bunch of weird characters. Alright, so now what? Oh, I know. We should install something on this naked image. Give it some clothing, if you will. Let's pick something at random. Since I am one up on you and I've already seen this, I think we should go with Nginx. For no other reason because it's light. The magic of ghetto video editing. We do an apt-get update and then an apt-get install Nginx. And look at that. It's done before you were on prom night. Now, if there was only a way to test this out locally, to make sure it works, make sure everything's fine. So once you get curl installed, we can see if things are running or not. Don't forget to start the Nginx service. Once you do, pow! Page has been returned to you. I bet you didn't even know you lost it.